In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing the Windows Identity Foundation service on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for Windows features. Best result, come back with turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to go down to the Windows Identity Foundation service here. Go ahead and check mark that and then select OK. And that should begin installing the required files, so just please be patient. And it says completed the requested changes. Go ahead and close out of here, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.